My name is Lynne Harris. I am an at-large member on the Montgomery County Board of Education. Keeping kids safely in school is helping them to recover and prosper and accelerate their academic achievement. As a public health person, I don't see anything in our school system that I didn't expect to see. Our case numbers have been quite small when you compare them to other school systems around the country that haven't taken the precautions that we have. The good news is the vaccinations are doing what they're supposed to do. People aren't getting really sick. They aren't landing in the hospital. They aren't landing on ventilators. They're not dying. Depending on what happens with the disease, with COVID, that we end up putting a COVID vaccine in a profile of the vaccinations that students are required to have, and staff are required to have before starting school. Or they could just go into a category of highly recommended. Keeping on and making sure we are ready. You asked earlier, what do I think is going to happen with COVID as we move into cold and flu season and winter? People are inside more together in close spaces. We have multiple holidays rolling on top of each other where people tend to gather. So I think we need to be ready. But I think we can be safely ready without the fear or risk of needing to pivot back to any kind of virtual learning. I mean, unless we're hit with a huge new wave of some new variant.